What's good? I'm back. It's Mcnish, back with another vlog, back with another vibe, back with another car meet. So right now it's currently 7:48 p.m. and I'm heading to this gear up meet. I think it's a private meet. I don't know. There was no address on the flyer, so I'm gonna assume it was a private meet. So I got the Addy. Now I'm heading there. Let's see what we come across. Like I've been to like 2 gear up meets, and every time I've been to a gear meet, the cars there were crazy. About to make a left right now. Yo. So we finally reached the gear up meet. All right, where do we start? I've been to this location one time, but like I'm geeked. I'm happy I pulled up. That's crazy how many people are here, and it's if you know, you know. It's crazy. Got the WRX here. This is tough. It's gonna have carbon fiber accents everywhere. Clean as hell. Color this is, but this color looks crazy. Yeah, so we're here pretty early. Once night falls, I know way more groups are gonna pull up, but look at the double vents. This is clean, can't lie. I'm not a fan of these vets like that, but these two look super clean. Can't lie, it looks really good right now. Yo, this looks crazy. Got the white one. Ooh, red guts. Jeez, that's tough. That is tough. M2 GT. Super clean. This is my dream daily whip. M3 comp. It's a crazy whip. Crazy. Ooh. This is crazy. Look at the roof. Oh shit. Ready to go. That's just ready to go. Here to Oh, this M2 is nasty. This M2. I don't know why people don't like this. I love this so much. Like the front grille is so aggressive. It's like a someone's looking at you. Oh man, this guy just pulled up. Now he's leaving. Damn. This M2 goes crazy. Holy shit. Shelby. Oh shit. What the fuck? What the fuck? Lord have mercy. Holy shit. Oh. Supra? The light look crazy right here. Oh, it looks like paint right now. Low key. I thought it was paint. Yeah? From afar. Yeah, from afar. Nighttime is when I shine, man.
It's the black one actually back there. Yo, what's good? What you say, bro? How are you?
Yo, what's good, bro? You good?
What's up?
Chilling.
Yeah, I woke up today.
Damn. Damn. All right, so we just parked the whips up sick. Just parked the whips up sick just now. Hold on, get the class one. So we just parked the whips up sick. Oh, that's fire. That's fire. It looks fake. It looks like a video game.
Yeah, I know.
Yo. Got this Supra next to the GTR R34. Come on.
And you'll pay the violation fee of...
See, it's starting to pack up. This looks like a fake shot. Wow. See, like I don't know which one's better. I feel like they're just equal. You know what I'm saying? Like they just both are just beautiful. Like there's no which one's better. They're both amazing. And they're both clean as hell. Crazy. Got the lamb in the cut. Yo, Lambos go crazy, I can't lie. Lambos go crazy. Even though they're so hyped, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if they're hyped, bro. They're sick. Look at the GTR R35. Carbon wing, carbon trunk. Gear up. Gear up doesn't mess around when it comes to the meats though. On up crazy. Yo, this is crazy. Bro, nah, look at the details. Look at the details. Look at the details. Look at the fit, man. Oh my. Got the Lambo in the cut. Bruh. It's M3. Oh my gosh. Look at the blue with the orange and black interior. What spec is this? Come. I want this car so bad. I want this car so bad, yo. Look how nasty that looks. Oh, that's crazy. I don't know how they can leave their headlights on for so long. I do that, my battery dying. I'm sorry. My battery will die if I do this. My battery will die. I'm telling you, there's so many car meets. There's so many car meets in the city. You just gotta go and hunt. With the Recaro seats. This is amazing. Like, this is a work of art right here. This is a work of art. What? Like, look where the lights are. This is crazy. You got pot lights in his car. That's how you know. Serious. The big body. You see what's popping, man. Yo, it's a big whip. It's a big whip. That's the end of the vlog. I want to say thank you guys for watching the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog as well. Let me know in the comment section what car is your favorite. My favorite is definitely the R34 GTR, because you can't go wrong, especially it next to the Supra. It just looks crazy. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friend or something. Mcnish out.
You wildin', that shit ain't really my problem. Saying how we gon' solve it, ain't no way to be honest. My conscience they kick it with common. Yeah, I turn the investment to common. Yeah, he stressing, he pressing for common. Yeah, she said she can't leave that drama.